Hi everyone, this is a weekly update on what's new at Border Innovation. Today I have two topics for you. One, we're launching innovationstack.io, and second, we have a new webinar that's going live on how to organize an innovation day. So Julie, what is it all about?
So innovationstack.io is a website we just launched, which has a collection that we curated with more than 50 innovation tech tools. This curated list showcases the digital tools that make the innovation process more effective by using technology. We call it InnoTech. In essence, the innovation process consists of four main phases: strategy, problem fit, solution fit, and go-to-market. For each of those, we track down the most relevant tools for you that will make the innovation process more effective. The list will be continually updated.
So second, we have a webinar for you on how to organize an innovation day. In a very practical format, we'll guide you through the typical workshop day and the agenda. We give you a couple of tips and tricks on how to organize such a day with practical templates, a couple of downloads, and how to facilitate such a session. We have three different formats for you on how to organize an innovation day. There are pros and cons for each one of them, so check it out and see if you can try it yourself one day.